Hello, everyone, and welcome again to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. I'm Marva, and I thank you so much for stopping by. And I want to give a special thank you to those new subscribers to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for coming in. And I would like to ask each of you to share the videos or share the channel on your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook, TikTok, or whatever platform you're on. Thank you in advance. And remember, leave a thumbs up, a comment, and also go ahead and check out the channel and support other content creators who have left a message in this video or any other video. Well, in today's video, we're going to check out some new happenings in the garden. For example, this tree behind you, see that? That's the coconut tree. One of two coconut trees that's really blossoming. Let's take a look. Earlier this year, this particular coconut tree started blossoming. It did, however, the blossoms or the young coconuts were either blown off the tree or got some type of disease and fell off. So we did a whole thing with this tree by stripping it, we pruned it, and gave it some fertilizer. And now, as you can see, it's blossoming again. Look at the latest group of young coconuts. And do you see the pollinators? Yes, they always come by when the coconut trees are blossoming. So we have 4 sets of blossoms on this one. And let's go check out the second tree. This tree gave us coconuts. We enjoyed some delicious coconut water and jelly. And here we have some more blossoms again. The pollinators, those bees, are doing their thing. And hopefully, we'll get some more coconuts on this tree. Now, the thing you should know is that not all the coconuts will come to maturity. Yeah, they will eventually fall off, but hopefully we'll get the most from it. So that's one thing that is happening in the garden. Come with me, let's check this one out. Right here is a second pigeon peas, volunteer pigeon peas, I should say. Came up among the rocks and it has grown. It's going to be difficult to get those peas when they do, but volunteer plants are always welcome in the garden. And not too far from it is the dwarf avocado plant. And if you've been watching this channel for a while, you would have known that on this plant are 2 avocados. Earlier this year, we had 1 avocado from this tree, but this time we're getting 2. Yeah, looking forward to having those. And let's take a look at the yellow yam that's in the container. Well, 2 containers. This is a volunteer plant that we found in one of our pineapple beds. And here's an update on that. Look how healthy the vines are. We have decided to use the tree as a trellis, the palm tree. Yeah, so lovely. Now check this out. This is a young star apple plant. No, not star fruit, star apple. It is growing well. Star apple is one of my favorite fruits. Here's something you should know about star apples. And next, this papaya tree is bearing one of our biggest papayas yet. Check it out. Now, this one will be ready to be harvested in a few more days, as well as this one. Yep. And finally, take a look at this. The last time we looked at these okra plants, there were some blossoms on them, which indicates that they'll be bearing okra very soon. And look at these. Those are ready to be harvested. We had a couple already. There's another one. And another. And let me show you the two that we harvested already. They're right here. So let's get the others. You know, if they stay too long, they will get too big and too tough. So let's get these. Do you like okras? It's very good for the digestive system. I think there are two more. Oh, this one got really big. Look at that. Yep. So there it is. We got a serving of okra. Yes. So that's it for today's video. If you can see, there are some more blossoms. So in a few days, We'll be right back here. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for your support. And if you'd like to help this channel to grow, please remember to watch the videos to the very end. Leave a comment, a thumbs up, and share. Thank you. And see you next time right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale garden. By the way, here's how I enjoy my okras.